went to school. Thought it was cool, but I really was hurt. Wanted my family to come in my games. My mama could make it cause she was at work. Remember my grandma, she took me to church. Really, no, I ain't wanna go. Remember I kissed my aunt in the casket and her forehead was cold. I was like 4 years old. We couldn't afford no clothes.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. But this time we're gonna do a would you rather.
Alright, keep going, bro. Keep going, bro.
Alright, so introduce yourselves.
Man, it's your boy, 64_Savage.
Pat, Instagram at oneway.twit3.
It's your boy Rio, oneway.Rio.
Alright, shit. So we're gonna get right into it. So, would you rather live in Atlanta or LA?
LA.
You know,
No, Atlanta. LA dirty. LA's dirty. I'll go to Atlanta.
Atlanta got all the boogers. So what?
That don't make you gay.
You gonna try to talk to a female gonna see a little.
Nah, man. Nah, boy. Nah, boy.
I'll say Atlanta though. Cause you get a good house and LA shit expensive.
Yeah, your girl gonna have a penis.
It's fine, girls, boo. Whether they niggas or not.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Wait, what?
Whoa.
Nigga, you tripping. So, would you rather get hit from the back or let your mom die?
My mom didn't live their life, I'm sorry.
She'll understand.
Yeah, she'll understand.
Jimmy, I don't know if they can.
Mama, lady.
Go ahead and say it.
R.I.P.
Jimmy hit me from the back, nah, so like. Jimmy hit me from the back, nah, so like.
You know what? I'm about to say it.
It is what it is.
Oh, this nigga gay.
Yeah.
Mama, you gonna have to die. Would you rather be blind or deaf?
Blind.
Bird box ass nigga.
Because, nigga, I can hear shit. What the fuck? I can hear shit.
I think I'd rather be deaf. Well, cause like you can still do everything.
Okay, but what if a nigga run up in your house? You ain't
But
gonna
nigga,
have-
put it like this. You don't gotta hear your girlfriend no more talking. You don't gotta hear your mama.
How you gonna have a bitch?
Because you're deaf, you can't have a bitch.
So, bitch, what you...
Oh, damn.
Oh, delete that out the video, bro. Delete that out the video. Delete that, bro.
Damn.
I think
I think I'd be blind, nah.
I think I'd rather be
Cause you
deaf.
can still hear shit. No,
I'll be blind. I'll be
I'd
blind.
rather be deaf.
Cause I can still hear shit,
You
bro.
remember the girl from the movie Hush?
Yeah.
That was suited up. So I'd rather be deaf. Cause she still did what she had to do.
But why would you want to be blind? Like,
Deaf,
you're not, I'm this nigga. Like,
This ain't gonna be
you're
blind.
not gonna be able to see nothing.
I don't care, bro, but when you're deaf, you can't hear
I'd
shit.
rather not be able to hear,
Okay.
but see what's around.
Yeah.
Like, see everything.
No,
To have a gay son or a thought daughter.
Damn.
My daughter gotta be a hoe. Cause,
No, but that means she get a train.
No, that means she getting fucked by like
I don't care.
10
I
niggas
have
a
a gay
week.
son. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Too.
Damn, yeah, gay son, bitch.
But then, that mean I let myself down. I ain't raised myself.
No, that
right.
just
No,
raised
nigga.
to where you accept them for who it is.
Exactly, bro.
I fuck with
That's why I'm
that.
gonna set my
Yeah,
daughter
gay
so
son.
she is.
Okay.
You have a gay
No,
son?
you can.
Because look, put it like this: if my daughter come home pregnant, hell no, I'm beating. Oh my god.
She gonna keep. But my son, like, if my son bring a nigga to the dinner table, like,
Bro, it is what it is.
Well,
Girl, what if your girl bring fucking 10 babies to the dinner table? Then?
What if it's a different guy every time at the dinner table, bro?
Damn.
For real.
Would you rather be rich and ugly or unattractive and poor?
Rich and ugly.
rich and ugly. If I got money, who the fuck? I don't give a fuck. What you niggas think? I'm rich.
You said unattractive and poor.
Yeah.
You're not muted.
That's the same thing as rich and ugly.
You're not muted.
No.
You gave me?
He meant attractive and
I meant attractive.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, I meant attractive and poor.
He
I'm
meant
tripping.
attractive and poor.
Yeah.
I'm tripping.
Nah, I'd rather be rich and unattractive. Like,
I'll be rich and unattractive. I get any bitch I want if I'm
I
rich.
got money. Fuck.
You can order bitches.
It was rich.
Rich and
Rich.
unattractive or attractive and poor.
Yeah.
I can be attractive before because eventually that shit gonna blow up.
So you'd rather not. You'd rather be.
Poor and attractive.
Well, if you're attractive, bro, here's the difference. Here's my feeling. When you rich and ugly, You gonna know bitches gonna want to be around you for your money, but when you're attractive and poor now, you gonna know people gonna want to be around you because you look good and who you is. Feel me?
Yeah, he's peeling.
Nah, don't ignore my response to him. Feel me?
Type shit.
That's tape.
All right, y'all can relate to this. Would you rather be a rich drug dealer or a poor athlete?
Hey, bitch, what you mean?
A rich
doing
drug
like
dealer.
that? Rich drug dealer.
You kidding me?
For real?
Or a poor athlete?
Yeah.
Like, what kind of athlete we talking about? Like,
Whatever athlete you want to be.
I'm saying, like, what level of profession?
None, bitch.
Like,
Wait, in the NFL and
you
being
know what
poor?
I'm saying? Like,
Because the niggas in the NFL that's in debt and shit.
I mean, like, let's say you're trying to train for the Olympics, right? But you're poor. But you're trying to go.
I mean, you gonna get a check after that. The
how
Olympics.
you gonna train if you're poor?
Yeah.
Nigga, you could train whenever.
Miles don't worry about training anyway.
Alright.
Would you rather send your boss a dirty text or a freaky voicemail to your mom?
Boss.
Hell
Easily
yeah.
my boss.
Getting that freaky text, nigga, or not.
Cause it might be a girl, so.
He didn't have to go that far. We could just left it at
Oh,
He just said
yeah.
it. He just said it. Don't
No,
gotta be
it was
big.
something.
But all you had to say was boss. You didn't have to say if it's a nigga.
No, but you gotta set
But
some
it-
standards.
It could be a
Yeah,
girl.
who put this on?
All right. Would you rather lick a homeless person's feet or lick the inside of your school garbage dumpster?
Homeless person. No.
The fuck? Is you dumb?
Bitch, you know what's in the fucking dumpster?
Do you know what's on a homeless person's foot?
Bitch, the fucking dirt.
Nigga, that's the point.
Oh, no. Bitch, I'm not licking the dumpster. Fuck that.
But you know, trash.
Okay.
Not trash. Freaking food and
Raccoons going that shit, bro.
Hey, that man been walking everywhere. He probably been walking in the dumpster.
No, bro.
Bitch probably swimming.
No, y'all take homeless people foot because they clean up.
No, they don't.
Bro, they
All right, well,
do
let's say
clean
it's not. It's a dirty homeless person.
I'll fucking lick his foot, bro.
Can't reach his foot.
Lick her foot, whatever it is.
I'll say the dumpster. I'll say the dumpster over the homeless person.
3-1 dumpster win.
Yeah, man.
All right. Would you rather be in a hot desert with a snowsuit or
Hot desert.
hot desert with a snowsuit or Antarctica naked?
Hot desert with a
Nigga,
snowsuit.
that shit even
You can
not.
take it off, bro.
No, let's say you can't take it off.
Well, hot desert with
What's a snowsuit? Like,
Either way, bitch, you gonna die.
Yeah. No, keeps you
keep you
warm.
warm.
Snowsuit.
Either way, you gonna die, bro.
Keep you cold.
A snowsuit keeps you warm. That's why they wear it in the snow.
So would you rather be really hot or really cold?
Oh.
Yeah,
I'd rather
basically.
be really cold.
Yeah, 'cause
Bitch,
it's
you
always
naked, bro.
cold. You can always throw a jacket on when you cold.
No, he said naked in Antarctica.
I'm gonna build an igloo.
Nah, nigga, I'd rather take the heat and just go out faster.
No, that's painful.
The bitch, the cold is painful. You gonna lose feeling in your
You know how many
toes.
people died in the Atlantic thing when they crashed into the iceberg?
The Titanic,
Titanic.
nigga.
So, that's better.
Why you laughing?
Nigga, they sunk.
You laugh.
Because they got frozen to death.
What? Frozen death.
Yeah, that's a great take. That can make it happen.
Nah, I'll say the hot desert though.
You tripping.
The hot days.
You gonna burn.
Dang it, Bertha.
Why you think they don't want you going to hell? Because you gonna burn.
Shut up.
All right. Would you rather get $1 trillion or live forever?
I don't even know how much a trillion is.
That's a lot of money. $1 trillion. No, live forever.
Nah.
If I could live forever, what you need money for? You could do whatever. You live like you're invincible.
Yeah, live forever.
Like if you're invincible, I live forever.
You don't want to live
What you
forever.
need money for, bro? You live forever.
Okay, but you gonna see everybody you know.
If you
die.
live forever, you could get money. I don't care. Fuck them.
Nuh-uh.
It's their time to go.
Your top is good.
Nah, boy.
Nah, I say
Money.
$1 trillion. Yeah.
You living in a lifetime. You live in your moment. Like,
Yo, you could live your best life with that $1 trillion.
And
What if you die the next day?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna
stupid
be
bitch.
You got good health
No, 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 how
care.
about
Good
this?
health
How about
care.
this? It's
What the
better-
heck? Healthcare is gonna help you.
Ain't that-
Yeah.
No, 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 no,
It's gonna
no.
help you
Look, look,
survive.
It's better to not die the next day as a rich man than to die the next day as a fucking normal nigga you was the day before.
At the end of the day, if you're rich or poor, where do you end up when you die? In a
Nigga.
fucking graveyard. In a fucking coffin.
It's better, great, now you gotta put the little
Would you
dolphins.
Would you rather have no one attend your wedding or no one attend your funeral?
Funeral.
Wedding.
Let me think.
Wedding.
Nah,
I say funeral.
people gonna love you when you dead because they want to see you.
Okay,
dead.
but they're not gonna attend your funeral.
Okay, I'd rather them not.
I'd rather
funeral.
know that people were there. Like,
Nah, straight on that. I'd rather them come to the funeral. If you love me while I'm alive.
I'll probably, nigga, what the fuck?
You rather
You trying to play footsies with me, nigga?
Bro, get off that gay jump,
Bro,
bro.
this nigga trying to play footsies, bro. What
This
the
nigga
fuck?
gay.
I know, but I changed my mind.
I'll say my funeral, because my girlfriend or wife, whatever, she'd probably rather have people there, so you gotta think about that, too.
I'd rather not people have. It's not calm.
I
Y'all keep
Not,
saying.
yeah, not
What if a
calm.
nigga
I'd
was
rather them
comforting
not
your
come to
girl?
my funeral.
What if a
Not come to your
nigga?
funeral,
What
or
if a
not come to
nigga
your
was
wedding?
comforting your girl
I'd rather nobody not come.
What are you talking about?
at your funeral?
Shut up. You're not gonna have a brother.
Alright.
Damn, it's a cream box that can make your booty too.
Hey. Alright. Would you rather go D1 and undrafted or JUCO with a small chance of getting drafted?
You go with a small chance.
Drafted, whatever that
D1,
is.
D1.
Small chance.
Nah.
And undrafted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nah, I'll go JUCO and have a chance.
I go D1 undrafted because then your name known. If you go JUCO, you know. So if you got the chance to go JUCO and a slight chance,
You know NFL teams go to JUCO colleges and get people too, right?
Alright, but it's a slight chance.
It's a slight chance.
Slight chance.
Nigga, a chance is a chance.
Okay.
Alright, so you gonna take your chance.
the chance that you can is the same chance that you
I'd rather take that small chance. You just told me I'm not getting drafted if I go JUCO.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go JUCO and have a chance of getting
But
drafted.
then you could get endorsements and shit while you D1 and shit. Get your name.
You can't.
Huh?
You can't.
Nigga, after you get out of college, but after you get
That's
out of
I'm
college,
saying after you get out, stupid.
That's not for sure, stupid.
I'd rather be in the league.
Yeah.
Slight chance, remember that. It's also a,
Okay, D1, no chance.
okay.
Slight chance or no chance, you pick.
But what
Good
if I go for
education.
no chance? Yeah, better education too.
What?
yeah, I'm going D1 and
All
undrafted.
D1 programs, education, not what you think it is.
You gonna go
Better than a
D1?
JUCO.
You gonna go?
Alright, this is the last question. Would you rather have Lamar Jackson or Baker Mayfield at QB?
Lamar Jackson.
Why?
That's a brother.
He fire.
Alright, y'all, you a wide receiver though. Baker Mayfield obviously throws better than Lamar Jackson.
No, he don't.
Really does. Look at
You
the
do.
stats.
What's the stats?
Man, shut up, nigga. You don't know what you be talking about.
But you sound stupid as a bitch.
So you'd rather have
Pull up
Lamar
stats.
Jackson though?
Nah, you didn't say it like this. You made it seem like they was like, who would I rather have on my
Yeah.
team?
Like at
I wasn't
QB?
thinking about as me playing.
Yeah,
Playing
you,
Baker Mayfield.
Baker Mayfield. How about you?
If I want to win the game, Lamar.
Lamar. Lamar could fucking run and throw.
What I'm playing? Running back or linebacker?
Are the Browns in the
Running back.
playoffs?
Yeah.
I want old boy. White boy. Baker Mayfield.
Yeah, I'm taking Baker Mayfield. I feel like he a better leader too.
Yeah.
Well, that's all for the video, you know, with the homies right now, so. What the fuck y'all
YouTube.
doing?